In this video I'm going to focus on creating lines, again with the endpoint command, but this time using the vertical and horizontal options. Using the vertical and horizontal options, we're going to create this part in our top view. Right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 horizontal lines I'll need to create, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertical lines I'll create, and then we'll use the trim to fix them all up. I'll let this be my 0, 0 point. So I'll come back into Mastercam. I've activated the create line command. I'm going to lock horizontal on. I know the first line starts at 0, 0, so I'll click here and I'll just give it a sense of direction. I'm not going to worry about its length because I'm going to use the trim command to fix it all up afterwards. So I'll just click, create a line. I know I have another horizontal line somewhere down here. I'll draw it, I'll click. As soon as I place the second endpoint by clicking, Mastercam's now asking me to enter the Y coordinate, and this cell is highlighted. This will be this line, so its Y coordinate is negative 1.25. Right, so back here I'll select negative 1.25 and it moves. If I've entered it wrong because it's blue, I can re-enter my command. I also have a vertical line here. Once again, I'm in enter the Y coordinate cell, so I can go back and I can check it. If this represents this line, I'm going to go negative 1.188 minus 0.188. So I'll enter that equation here, negative 0.188 minus 0.188. I'll let Mastercam do the math for me, and my line is at it. I have another line somewhere up here, and its Y coordinate is negative 0.188. Because I'm using the horizontal and vertical commands, this is my last horizontal line I wish to create. I do need to click apply. If I switch now to vertical, my line will change. Okay, so come back, I'll apply it, and now I'll switch to vertical. And I have some vertical lines to create, so I'm just going to create them freehand. Now I'm entering the X coordinate. So this line will be at X0. I have another one somewhere over here. That's going to be at negative 6.5. I'll fit the screen so we can see it. And I have another vertical line somewhere here. If I'm not sure of its position, I'll come back, open up my drawing, see, alright, this one is at negative 0.688. So again, I'll enter its X coordinate as negative 0.688. Enter. Look at my drawing one more time. I have another one that's 3/8 from there. So I'm going to create the line, and once again I'll just use the equation here. Type negative 0.688 minus 0.375. Enter, and I've created my line. To finish off the part, I need a vertical line here and a vertical line here. In this case, I'm going to use the create line offset command to create these. So I'm going to accept this, that I'm happy with creating lines so far. Now I'm going to come back and choose create line parallel. Okay. So the first thing Mastercam would like me to do is select a line. I'll select this line first. Now it says indicate a point to make the line parallel to, and what it's asking you is to click one side of the line or the other. So I'm going to click on this side of the line, and now I can set up the distance. Again, I don't remember the distance, but I can use the equation editor. The distance will be half the difference of 0.625 minus 0.375. So back here I'll just type 0.625 minus 0.375. The answer will be a quarter. It's still blue, so it's not done. I come back up here, click in the cell again, click a second time, add the divide by 2, enter, and I have my line, and I can apply it. I'm still in the command, so this time I want to offset this line, this distance, and I can choose my 0.125 and say I'm happy. To see how to trim these, watch the video Trim 1.